Hello, I'm Adam Barralet of Crystal Connections, and if you're like me, you probably love crystals. Now 25 years ago when I started getting into crystals, I'd collect all these different crystals for love, for happiness, for abundance, for protection, for healing, for balance, for all these different things. But what I found is I was collecting them and they ended up sitting on shelves looking pretty. Now we're a special bunch, us that love crystals, because we can justify spending 10, 20, 50, maybe more on a colourful bit of rock when our friends and family are wondering where on earth our money is going. But I feel because we have this special calling from these gifts of Mother Earth, it's our responsibility to know how to use them. And how we do that is through practice and through working with them. Now I wanted to share with you a tool that I've created called the Crystal Connections Guided Meditation CD. And this is my meditation CD for health and wealth. On this meditation CD, there are 4 different 20-minute meditations that guide you through working with 4 different crystals to bring more health and wealth into your life. Now the first one is working with Bloodstone. Bloodstone I find is an amazing crystal for helping you return to overall well-being. So if you're feeling lousy physically, this can be a really nice one for you. The next meditation on here is working with Carnelian, that vibrant orange crystal which I often call a crystal of fertility. Now don't worry, if you work with Carnelian, you're not going to get pregnant. Fertility can be anything, bringing any abundance into your life. And so that's what that meditation does. Sunstone is a really uplifting, vibrant meditation. Often we think of meditations as calming us down, but sometimes we need a bit of a pep up, especially at the start of the day. And so there's a Sunstone meditation in here designed to raise your energy. And then finally we have turquoise. Turquoise has been used by civilizations all around the world for centuries for creating a path or a link or a bridge between us and the gods. It can bring in luck, it can bring in abundance, it can bring in so much. And so this is a meditation that will really help you to connect with turquoise and how to create that bridge and bring in more abundance into your life. Each of these meditations takes you through calming down, relaxing, connecting with the crystal, and then a guided visualization. My voice will guide you through it and is backed up by music that is in the key of the chakra, which that crystal resonates with as well. So if you'd like to try meditating with these crystals, you can either purchase the CD or you can download it from iTunes. And I'll pop the links down below so you can find them. These are amazing gifts that we are given by nature, these beautiful, stunning coloured crystals. Let's not leave them on the shelf. Let's work with them. Let's use them to their full potential. And this meditation will help you to do that. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video. I'm Adam Barralet of Crystal Connections. Blessed be.